up, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your girl Kelsey, and today I have a short video. I always say short and it don't end up short, but I'm trying to make it short. Basically, over this wig that was sponsored and given to me. It's by a company called Hertune. It's an Amazon company, and it's a 20-inch body wave with a 4x4 closure. And I'm gonna put in some, well, I ain't gonna say put in some clips. I'm gonna just show you a video, and I'm gonna do a voiceover. The hair, what I initially thought about it, because I wore it for like 2 weeks, and that was without me putting any heat on it or doing anything. And I will show you guys like how the ends was just looking really puffy, it looked scraggly, and I was like, okay, it's only been 2 weeks. This is a no-go. Sorry that ended abruptly, y'all. I'm trying to learn how to do the before and the middle and then the after, so y'all work with me this video, okay? But yeah, y'all see the hair, how it looks right now. This is prior to me putting any heat on it or anything. And yes, girl, the hair was tangled. And don't judge me. I had been wearing this hair, but I was wearing it with a hat, okay? Yeah. And so right here, I was just showing you the length or whatever, how the scalp look and everything. This is the tint that I used to spray. Now, the tint works really well. The only thing about that tint, though, it transferred. Like, I left that on there overnight, and that still didn't dry. It still left, like, it'll come off until you cap it, everything. Right here, I'm just going to cut the lace off. You know how that go. Do the little zigzag so it don't be straight across. I've watched a few YouTube videos in my time on how to do these wigs. And I'm going to go and use the Gots to Be spray. And all I do is spray that on. And I use the what's this called? The dryer. I put it on cool setting. And then once I do that, I'm going to put like something around my edges to lay it down while I attempt. You heard what I said, attempt to curl this hair, because baby, just wait and see. So I'm going to take my Lot of Body foam wrap, and it leaves your hair soft. It don't leave it crunchy. I'm using it to lay my hair down. Look at that. Hey. And then I'm going to take my Infinity Pro by Conair, and I'm just going to use the heat of it to lay it down to make it really flat as possible. And the hair worked really well with the heat. Like, it got super flat. It really did. Now I'm going to attempt to curl my hair. I'm going to use this Design Essential Oil Spray. Just a little bit, you know. And then after that, I'm going to use this Spritz. And it is a soft hold, but it does help keep your curls. If the hair can actually hold a curl, it definitely lets it keep it. But some hair just don't keep a curl. And this hair, if you keep watching towards the end when I review the hair, you'll see. Okay, and some I noticed, it curled all the way good. Like, it, the other side curled well. But when I got to this bang, the bang yang, Look at that. Girl, what is that? Yeah, like that part did not want to curl for nothing. Like, yeah, I don't know. But I really wasn't feeling the way the bang was looking, so I just went in and kind of like cut it to, frame my face or whatever. And later on, I didn't do it in the video. I ended up cutting some more, making it a little bit shorter. But yeah, that top part, I don't know if it's the closure on it or what, but it didn't curl that well, as you can see. And I really was trying to, y'all. I was trying. But it wouldn't do right for me. Other than that, the positive note, the lace, it laid down really good. As you can see, it looks so natural. I was very pleased with that. Like, look at it. I had to zoom in for y'all. Go on, look at it, girl. So once I got that laid, y'all, I tried to, like, do some little side pieces, some edges, or whatever you want to call them. I really don't wear them all the time, but yeah. But look, y'all, I had to try to curl his hair again, just to see now if it was gonna do me good. Look, I burnt myself a little, but hey, that's all right. But yeah, this hair still didn't want to give me a curl. So it's about to come into the rest of the review, so stay tuned. Today I was like, you know what, let me just actually style this wig, try to lay it down, put some heat on it. And as you can see, it has body to it, it has sheen, it looks really nice. I am getting some tangles in the back, and I did detangle it. I don't like that, so that's probably not a good indicator. What else? Other than that, so I also curled my hair in the video, and you see the curls came down to this. Now it's still curled, it didn't go back bone straight, but it's not how I, wanted it. I did want my curl to stay. Other than that, like I said, after I applied the heat, it is soft. It is. And I believe this wig runs for like $107 or something like that. For the quality, I would definitely say it's a good wig. Oh, and the lace, y'all, the lace, because you know how you have some lace that's hard, and when you try to lay it down, it don't really lay down. Y'all hear my baby? She in there having fun with her brother. Aren't you? Ari? Huh? Hey. Hey. Y'all, she's 9 months. Okay, she's 9 months. She be talking to me. But yeah, about the lace. Some lace be hard and hard to work with, hard to lay down. But this lace right here is actually, it's not soft as it could be as other laces that I've had, but it's not bad, if that makes sense. It's still soft, manageable, and it'll lay down for you. The hair, when I put the heat to it, it laid slick down for me, flat. So that's a plus. And what else? Overall, if I had to rate this wig from a 1 through a 10, just from the wigs that I've had, because I haven't had any $500, $600, $700 wigs. You're not gonna do that, okay? But just from the wigs that I've had, let me see. Because I got one, I'm gonna do a review for y'all. That one, it don't tangle at all in the back. So, but anyway, just because this one is giving me some tangling vibes, like, baby, when you turn this camera off and you shake your hair a couple times, I'm about to tangle. I'm gonna have to give it an 8. An 8, yes. Y'all, I forgot my lip gloss. Big ashy. Hold on. Honey. That lip gloss just do something to your lips. But it ain't about my lips, this video. It's about this hair. So anyway, just stay tuned. And again, I'm going to show you, I'm going to insert the clips of the hair, show you how I styled it or whatever. And yeah, let me know if you like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, if you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comment box below, and I will definitely get back with you or even try them. So you already know what it is. Thank you for watching. Your girl Kelsey loves you. Have a blessed one.